Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Roblox. While using a voice chat, you got an error, unable to access microphone. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First method is for the mobile phone users. If you are onto the mobile phone, make sure you just go ahead and simply restart your mobile phone. After restarting, try to do the voice chat again and hopefully the issue will be fixed. If not, right in the mobile settings, you will find the option of voice chat, and under the voice chat, you will find enable microphone, or another option is accept voice chat. Whichever option is available, make sure you enable the microphone as well as accept the voice chat so that your mic will be allowed to chat right into the game. After doing these steps, the issue will be fixed. Now, if you are onto the Windows, first of all, head over to settings menu. From the left pane, click on the option privacy and scroll down to find the option microphone. From here, make sure you enable the microphone access by toggling it on. Below it, you will find the option of Roblox. Make sure again you toggle on the option so that you enable the Roblox to use your microphone to fix out the issue. If this fails to work out, you need to open up your control panel and click on the option sound over here. Now in the sound, click on the recording tab and whichever your default mic is. Right click, go to its properties. Under the advanced tab, you will find the option of exclusive mode. Uncheck both the options. Now hit apply and OK button. After doing so, close it. Now right in the system tray icon also, you will find a sound icon. Click on it. Now under the sounds, click on this right arrow key to find the option of spatial sound. From here, if it is turned off, you need to choose the option Windows Sonic for headphones. After selecting this particular option, go ahead, restart your Roblox and hopefully the issue will be completely fixed. And if nothing works, the last hope you have is to first of all uninstall the Roblox. And the issue is you might be using the App Store version of the Roblox and that's why your mic is not working. So to fix it, you need to open up your web browser and open up this official website of Roblox, and from here click on this download Windows app option so that you will download the Roblox right from its official website. Once downloaded, install it into your system and the issue of voice chat not working or you are getting unable to access microphone issue while playing or while using a voice chat will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.